Indian car versus American car, stand ramp competition. First on the ramp, the Indian car. The engine starts, RPM rising, power builds. The Indian car moves forward, slow at first, then faster. The ramp begins to shake, the car keeps pushing, speed increases, the pressure gets heavier, the engine sounds louder, the car is still moving, still pushing, but the load is too much, the ramp vibrates hard, the balance is lost, and crash! The Indian car breaks down, the run is over. It's time to see what the American car can do. Now it's time for the American car. The engine is ready. The power is building. The American car moves forward, slowly at first, then faster and stronger. It keeps going, it keeps pushing. Every inch shows raw strength. The pressure increases, the stand ramp starts shaking, it looks like it might stop. For a moment, everything freezes. But no, the American car makes it through. The American car doesn't give up. It keeps moving forward, breaking through the resistance. And yes, the American car makes it through. Today's winner is clear. The American car wins this stand ramp challenge.